Hey, welcome back, everybody. The item on today's menu is tamalmuang, the mango. It's kind of like tamalmuang, the papaya salad, but it's a little bit different. Same base, but it's with green mango. All right, what you need is green mango. It doesn't have to necessarily be green, but it has to be firm and hard. And then shrimp paste, your chili peppers, garlic. And the difference is now that you have to have ginger, fish sauce, MSG, and sugar. And that's about it. Alright, so you're going to have to shred the mango first, the bakmuang. And to do that you need a sharp knife, hopefully it's heavy, a cleaver, a butcher cleaver will do too, and the green mango. And for you to do this, you have to be very careful to not cut your hand. If you have a julienne peeler and you like it like that, you can use that, but I like to do this the old school way. Alright, let's go. Make sure you get it in deep enough, because you're ending up peeling it anyways, like this. And you end up getting pieces like this. And all you gotta do is repeat until the whole mango is done. Just make sure you don't cut your hand. So we already shredded the mango and everything, and we're about to go ahead and mix it in, pound it in with the mortar. So add your 1 piece clove garlic. I got about a tablespoon, give or take, sliced ginger. We're gonna use 4 chilies right here. It depends on whatever spice you want. And then take about this much maybe or more shrimp paste, depending on what you like. And then you start smashing it. Get everything all in there, smashed up. Make sure the ginger is pounded too. And hopefully it looks something like that. Come right up. Alright, we're gonna add this stuff in. 1 mango should be enough for maybe, I don't know, 2, 3 people, 4 people, unless you're a very hungry person. Okay. And now you're just gonna add stuff like you would in papaya salad, tamalmuang, except you don't use tomatoes or you don't use lime because it's already sour. But if you want tomatoes, and if you want it to be sour, more sour, you go ahead and use those at your discretion. So, let's add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, more or less if you want. A tablespoon of sugar. So, half a tablespoon of MSG. And you go ahead and smash that up. Make sure all that paste and pepper gets everywhere. I like mine sour, so I'm gonna add some lemon juice, lime juice if you want. And that's it. Alright, after you're done, you like the way it tastes, go ahead and put it in the plate. Everything in there. Alright, there you go. Right there, you got it. Eat it with steak right here if you want. Go through it with steak and rice or whatever meat. Dig in. Beware of your butthole though.